I like what you say about the exams. I really don't enjoy writing exams. I hate exams actually. But after hearing you, it has been a great pleasure. I'm waiting for the second year exams.
Next.
Hi friends, my aim is to become an environmentalist, and sir inspired me, and I'm so happy that sir came to take class for us. Thank you.
But what is the point you learned you didn't tell me?
I learned a lot, but now what come to my mind is what he told about a mother. When even after she's away from us, we can know her by her sound, and we should get up before Brahma comes and call us. That is what I like.
When I was doing my job in Hyderabad, my mother was with me when I was 40 years old. As soon as I come back to my house, the first thing what I do is I sleep on her lap. And then she keeps her hands like this and say, Mone ni nannavu. And that's the only blessing which I had in my life, which makes me good. When I was not good, I got second class, I was not good, I used to be so mischievous. Never my mother scolded me. All the time she said, nannavu. Eppoyengum oru kalathu nannavu. You understood? Never make your mother unhappy. That's a great message which I keep telling from my heart. What's your name? Neetu. What's your name? Shana. Okay, good. Yeah. Give chance to boys. They will lose out their brain otherwise.
First of all, I should agree with the courage done by our friend from the commerce batch. He was the only boy who came here first. So we should have a clap for usually our teachers say, don't by heart, don't by heart. Sir have gone against it. He is saying that by heart. മനസ്സ് കൊണ്ട് പഠിക്കുക,
മനസ്സിൽ ആക്കി പഠിക്കുക, മനസ്സ് കൊണ്ട് പഠിക്കുക, മനസ്സിൽ ആക്കി പഠിക്കുക. Good.
We should study by our heart. It's a wonderful concept.
Good. Next. What's your name?
Sachin.
Sachin. Okay.
Sir, now I really feels pleasure in this class. I had a great desire for going for the Indian Administrative Service.
Wonderful. Very good. Read newspaper every day.
So I really had a desire, and recently I lost my desire, and I was really upset depressed also. And after this class, I'm really pleasured because you have given me a good class.
Now you are in 11th class.
11th class.
I'll tell you. You remind me at the end. I'll tell you how to prepare for IAS. Okay. I come to the IAS coaching center in Kannur. Whenever any Sunday, if I am free, I'll be there. So I am taking class in IAS students in the Kannur Jawahar Library. They have a good library for IAS preparation.
So I was really depressed.
I'm sure you will become good. That's what you require. You need a attitude change. You will become really good. Yeah.
I can't actually give a long speech. I would like to say that I learned a lot of things. Actually, life is nothing to be wasted. Just make the most of it.
Invest it.
Yes.
Good.
I just want to say that that we should believe in ourselves, that we have Brahma in ourselves, Brahma in our mind, and we should attain Saraswati. So we have to try our best to
Be creative and communicative. These are the two things which you require to become successful in life. Yeah. You have a chance. Ladies first, whenever war is there.
I learned how to be a good student.
War is there.
I learned how to be a good student. Moreover, I learned how to be a good person in life. And I learned that we should show courage.
Feeling good,
Yes.
being good. Looking good, feeling good, being good. Which is important?
Being good.
Being good. That's it. Yeah.
So you told that already. Life means life means love. So you already told that. So life
Hold it tight. Life is
full of enjoyment.
live.
Live in full of enjoyment. You already told
No,
that.
learn.
No. So first you told that, and after that you told that for students it is to learn in full enjoyment.
You see, just holding hand, you get a lot of courage and your knowledge will become better. You understood? Lot of students, when they come to stage, what they want to say will not come out. Just hold hands like this, you will be able to do that. That's a trick of teaching you. That's why I said when you come here, even if you share, and even if you have got a problem in speaking, that will go. Don't you feel courageous now?
Yeah.
And what is EFIL, you know? Life written opposite? EFIL. LIFE opposite is EFIL. You want to become IAS? Refer to EFIL, Civil Aspirants Group in Facebook. That's my group. EFIL is Civil Aspirants Group, in which EFIL means Ekalavya for Future India Leadership. Ekalavya for Future India Leadership. That's why I am making leaders of India. You are happy now? Good. Yeah.
Sir, till this moment I was not confident with myself.
Okay.
So after your speech, I was fear about coming here and speaking a few words about you.
Yeah.
But now I am confident that
Not about me, what you learned.
I'll be confident in my life after this.
That's good. That's great. You feel happy?
Sir, I understood how to build up confidence and help others build confidence as you did.
Yeah. What you should do is you talk to people. Priya vakya pradhanena sarve tushyantu jandavaha tasmat tadeka vaktavyam vachanega daridhrata. Heard this? I'll tell you later. Okay.
Sir, and I've always aspired to move to software field. But I have always been told that
Ask
software.
them. Keep quiet.
Please keep quiet.
Hey.
Please stop talking.
Louder.
Stop talking. I've always wanted to join softwares, pursue software in my future. But everyone has been saying to me, software is not a good field to go forward. But now I understood every field, if done in a good way, can yield better results. Thank you, sir.
Good.
I think first way to be happy is the first way to success, and I think I'm really blessed to have my mother, father and sister and my teachers and friends like this. I'm really blessed to get.
So how much mark you will give to you? Don't tell me. Okay. You think how much mark your parents are going to give you and how to improve it and make it better. Right? Life is progressing and progressing with a lot of love from all people around. That's your credit. Good. Done?
Still, I am not confident to stand here, shivering like this.
Don't worry.
So after
Hold my
class
hand.
also, I am not.
Hold my hand. Tight. Yeah. Speak. Yeah.
I'm too much inspired by the tip given you from you that after finishing a chapter from class or after taking a portion from class to read what have taken from class after teacher went class. When I'm studying smaller classes, I tried that. I know that's a very good tip you have given from here. But now what?
You are not able to find a good friend?
From class.
Huh?
Yes.
You have a lot of good friends, right?
Yes, not
So
from-
use them for learning together. Community learning.
So I don't feel anything and stay now because I don't think that my friends are very helpful for studying.
I am sure if you are good, you can influence others. Yes or no? മുല്ലപ്പൂമ്പൊടി വേറെയുണ്ട്. കാകസംസർഗമുണ്ടായാൽ കുയിലിന് ഒച്ച മാറുമോ? കേട്ടിട്ടുണ്ടോ അത്? So, bright people, good people can influence others. And if you are good, I'm sure you can make a lot of difference to people. And be so. Right? Good, good. Anybody else? Finished? Good. God bless you.
Thank you, sir.
Got my card better?
So I didn't get anything like this, so thank you, sir.
Enjoy.
ആദ്യമായിട്ട് വരുന്നത് ഞാനൊന്നും ചെയ്യുന്നില്ല എന്നെക്കൊണ്ട് ദൈവം ചിന്തിക്കുന്നുള്ള ബോധത്തോടുകൂടി ചെയ്താൽ യു വിൽ ഡെഫിനറ്റ്ലി ബി സക്സസ്ഫുൾ. ആ ഒരു ചിന്ത എപ്പോഴും